Where is it? Where's your stick, Brooklyn? Where is it? The snow's as tall as you. You want me to break off one of those sticks? You just need something to play with? Come here, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, look. Brooklyn, look. Look. Here. Here. What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? You love this stuff, don't you? Did you eat the stick? Honey, I know you want your big stick. I don't know. Daddy has to get it for you. I don't know what she thinks is in that hole. What? Where is it? Where is it, Brooklyn? Where is it? Where is it, Brooklyn? Where is it? Where is it, Brooklyn? Who's that, Brooklyn? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, I think she's pooping right in front of people's yards. Oh, Brooklyn. Do you want to go inside? Huh? Are you done playing? Are you done playing? Are you done playing?